southwestern Georgia, Seminole County, southwestern Georgia, Grady County, southwestern Georgia, daylight time, County, 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Central Daylight Time, 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Wiggle to 6 miles.
Those were some long EAS tones, because this thing had a long pause before it went off again. Wait. As soon as I thought Tallahassee was back to normal, decided to issue a sphere for my county.
Lincoln, Stonehill Creek, George Campbell Stadium, and Mexico Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Big Bend of Florida, in south-central and southwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Calhoun, Franklin, Gadsden, Jackson, Leon, Liberty, and Wakulla, and the following counties. In Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Seminole.